Admiralty eReader 1.4. Activating the Admiralty eReader 1.4 using email. The application can then be activated on up to 3 PCs per license. Your Admiralty chart agent should have sent you a login and password to activate your Admiralty eReader 1.4. When the Admiralty eReader 1.4 is first opened, the application starts on the Tools page and the Activation Status Activation Not Started window is displayed. Click Next. On the Tools screen, the Activation Set Communications screen appears. Click the Email option, which highlights blue when selected. Click Next. In order to activate the Admiralty eReader 1.4, the login and password need to be entered manually. We recommend you copy and paste these to ensure these are correctly entered. Click Next. Now click Browse to select a location to save the activation request files, for example, a removable USB memory stick. Click on OK when selected. Once the location is selected, click Save. Instructions will then appear on the screen, including details on how to send this new activation request. On a PC with email access, compose a new email following the instructions provided in the Admiralty eReader. Make sure the correct email address and subject is included, as well as the correct activation request file attached. Click Finish. The application will automatically take you back to the Tools screen. In the email returned to you from the UKHO, download and save the attachment to a location ready to transfer to the PC running eReader, for instance, a USB memory stick. Please note, ensure that only one set of activation files is saved in this location. To avoid confusion, make sure all other response files are deleted. On the Tools screen, select the Activation tile to get to the Activation Status screen. Now that the activation request has been made, you need to apply the activation response file that will be sent back to you via email. Now click Apply. Now browse to the location where the response file is saved. Click OK when selected. From the Activation Load from Media screen, click the Load option. The activation process now begins. When the activation is complete, a message appears to confirm Admiralty eReader was successfully activated. Click Finish. You will then be taken to the Tools page where you can check the complete status of the activation. Please note, now that the eReader has been activated, orders for ENPs can then be placed by your Admiralty chart agent. Orders were not possible before activation.